Hello, this is Cedric Green, and today is October 11th, Sunday, about 1:20 p.m. And guess what? I'm finna get ready to raise my wind turbine, get up higher, catch more wind, get more power. Alright, I got to take these guidelines off, as you can see. I got to disconnect that wire. I got to jack it down. Got to take these bolts and stuff off all around. Disconnect that ground wire and take my come along ratchet jack and jack it up and bring it down. Because I'm finna get ready to put this pole on. This is much longer. It's an 8-foot pole. Get up higher into the wind, as you can see. Alright, here we go. Alright, I'm setting up my jack. I'm gonna get ready to disassemble the wind turbine and bring it down, jack it down, and I'm attaching it to this pole here. There's my block and tackle. Alright, I got my block and tackle assembly attached to the pole, and I'm gonna get ready to begin the process. First, I got to get up there and get it attached around the wind turbine and start disconnecting the wire and stuff and all that before I jack it down. Alright, I'm gonna get ready to bring it down, but first I got to take all the bolts and these guidelines off and disassemble the wire, the ground wire, and the bolts up there, as you can see, before I bring it down. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and bring it down right now. I got disengaged from right there, the bolts and the guidelines, and I'm gonna bring it on down. Bring it on down. I managed to get it down, and alright, we'll start the process of putting on the other pole and getting it back up there, maybe later on today, or Alright, I have it on the ground now, and now I got disassembled, and I need to take these two ends off if I can, and put on that two ends on this pole. Alright, now I got both the metal brackets on each end of the pole. I'm gonna get ready to stabilize it and get the project going. Alright. It's yeah. I'm gonna put the pole on the wind turbine, and gonna get ready to put the guidelines on, going 4 different ways. It's gonna be much higher and much more stable. All right, so here we go. Yeah, as you can see, I got it screwed in on the deal right here, and I'm gonna get ready to do the wiring and stuff before I set it back up on my pole right there. Got it ordered. I put some grease all around in there, and I'm getting it ready. All right. So I got this on for the 4 guidelines I'm attached to it. 4 different sides of the post, my wind turbine. All right. All right, I got my wiring soldered to the connection right here. This connector, 3-way connector for my torch right here, and this is some of the pieces that connects the cable together that I used, as you can see, and some of the pins. And here's one of the pins right here that kind of connects to them. So I'm ready to rock and roll. Here's the other end. I have it connected right there. But before I raise my wind turbine up, I got to make sure this pole is up high enough above that to raise it all the way up past 8 feet up in the air and set on top right there. So I got to raise this post up some. I got to see if it's above 8 feet. All right, so I'm gonna do that. Well, I had to do a different strategy this time because it was getting too heavy to go up there. It's been that pole up there. So right now, just got the post up there, and I'm gonna put the wind turbine up there after I fasten the post down and with the guidelines and all that. As you can see, it's much easier. I'm about to get up there for ladder when I'm putting up the wind turbine. It should be lighter than with just the wind turbine going up there. All right. So right now I'm tightening up the bolts, put the wind turbine up there and fasten it down. All right. All right, I'm tightening them down, the bolts down to hold the top post right there, and my wind turbine going on the top up there later on. All right. I'm gonna fasten these lines right here, the guide lines, and then when I'm ready, put the wind turbine up there at the top. Right now, I'm gonna start attaching the guide lines I have here, all 4 of these in the ground. So I got coming from up there, as you can see, to each of these rods, 4 rods around the yard, so I can stabilize this post. And then I get my wind turbine up there, it'll be all sturdy and ready for my Beauty in the Wind way up there. Producing some power for it. Right now I'm gonna put on the hooks right here, the turnbuckle, and this part goes around this here, if I can get it over it, and then this hooks into it, this turnbuckle some kind of way. Then I can loop this in here some kind of way, and just hook right through this deal here. I can make adjustments and cut it, and then put these on the end to form a loop and make it whole. All I'll do is just turn these both ends to adjust it for tension and stuff for my wind turbine. Alright, I got it clamped in this deal right here through the rod. Yeah, I got it. These two wire clamps right there. It's holding steady and alright. I got to do all 4 of these lines like this. And kind of open up so I can make adjustments, alright? And cut this extra wire off later on. Alright, I got all 4 turnbuckles in the ground. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, and 4 for all 4 guard wires. For all 4 guard wires. Going up there at the top of the post up there, and at the top right there, the wind turbine is gonna go. Each of the ends kind of wrapped up, so I don't have to cut it and get double the strength and all that. All I got to do is just twist these accordingly to make it tight on one side or something. I might need a lever to keep it level and all that. It's coming on real good. And just connect those wires and the ground wire. I'm gonna do that now before it get dark. And I'll finish it maybe tomorrow or the weekend. I'm finna get ready to connect in these 2 wires. Cables right here connect right here on my wind turbine. Going all the way up at the post. Man, way up high. And the ground right there. Hook up to that this wire right here going down to the lightning ground post. As you can see right down there, I am ready. I am ready to put up my wind turbine. Alright, I got it fastened. I'm ready to jack it up with my block and tackle right there. Should have enough space to go all the way up to the top, as you can see, and bolt it down right up there. I'm probably be up there and just bring the wind turbine over and put it on there. That should work out pretty well. And all I gotta do is just connect the black cord right there to the wind turbine and tighten it down, and I'm all set. So here we go. We're almost up, almost there at the top. About 2 feet from the top, on the top of the pull up there. Look at way down here on the ladder. There's my jack right there, my block and tackle. All I got to do is just keep going with it until I get up there, and I set up on top of these and put the bolts on and tighten it and put the wire on. Let's do it. It's overlooking the neighborhood. Everybody can about be in the wind and all that. Sun setting. It's gonna be great. Let's continue. There we go, almost there. Don't turn it. Almost past the point. Alright, look at that. I can just probably grab it. Alright, let's see what I can do about there. Alright, I finally got it up here. I got the bolts in. I finished tightening them up and all that. Alright, I finally got it fastened and everything, and the bolts in it all around. I got the cable connected. I'm gonna start taking this down and stuff. I don't want to turn it yet while I'm up here, you know, and chop me up. But here it is. Let's overlook the top of the house and make some power. Alright. Oh yeah, look at that. It's way much higher. A little higher than the roof right there, you see? It's up there. My Beauty in the Wind. Finna catch the wind and produce that power, you know. Right now it's about 20 something feet up in the air, about 22 or something feet. It's as high as I need to go anyway, you know. So start tacking it up and then start taking the stuff down. All right, today is Saturday, October the 17th. The final finish of my Beauty in the Wind. Look at it, look at that, look at that. She's spinning. She's way up 22 feet up in the air, much higher than she was before. Oh man. She is producing right now. Oh man. The final finish. I'll bring it down to the guide wire. All four of them are attached to the ground, as you can see. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. I gotta make some minor adjustments. It is finally finished. She high flying and producing. Thanks everybody for watching, and hit that like button, make a comment, subscribe, and there's more videos to come in the future.